Hello everyone, this is Rachel live from 𝐊𝐴𝐴 Studios and you're watching the IPO Corner, a show that's dedicated to the IPO market performance and brings you hot public offerings and all important information about the listing companies under the spotlight. Now, the recent boom in the IPO market has propelled companies to launch their offers to cash in. Almost 30 companies are lined up to list their shares on the ASX this month, of which half of them have already made a debut on the domestic exchange. As many as 7 companies will join the ASX next week, including Afterpay-led investment venture Touch Ventures, cancer diagnostic firm Pacific Edge and tech firm ActivePort. The majority of the list includes resource companies such as Mita Mining, Star Minerals, West Cobar Metals and Besra Gold. The majority of the recent new listings are from the resources sector as miners are rushing in to capitalise on higher metal prices. The rise in global demands for electric vehicles and battery power has pushed prices higher of battery metals such as graphite, rare earths, copper, cobalt, nickel and lithium. While base metals such as gold, silver and iron have also witnessed an uptick in prices. Let's look at the forthcoming IPO listings in detail. First on the list is cancer diagnostic company Pacific Edge. The company is expected to start trading on the ASX on the 27th of September. They've filed for a dual listing as a foreign exempt entity as they're already listed on the New Zealand Stock Exchange. The dual listing will help the company access a broader pool of specialist international healthcare, institutional and retail investors. Founded in Dunedin in 2001, the firm is specialised in the discovery and commercialisation of cancer diagnostic and prognostic tests for better detection and management of cancer. Next on the list is investment holding company Touch Ventures. They're pegged to start trading on the 29th of September. Now, this company proposed to raise $100 million at an offer price of 40 cents apiece. Australia's largest buy now pay later player, Afterpay, is the largest shareholder in the investment firm. Afterpay has committed to invest $10 million under the offering, while current shareholder Woodson Capital is also expected to participate as well. Formerly known as AP Ventures, the company intends to create long-term value for its shareholders by investing in high-growth companies. It's already invested more than $75 million in 5 companies, including 2 buy now pay later companies, Hapay in China and Postpay in the United Arab Emirates. Next on the list is Australian tech company ActivePort Group. The shares of this data centre operator are set to list on the ASX on the 27th of September. That's after successfully raising $15 million in its IPO. The telecommunications software provider issued shares at an offer price of 20 cents. Ahead of the IPO, the company raised $3.9 million in pre-IPO rounds amid an acquisition spree. The Sydney-based company sells software to telcos, also internet services and systems integrators. It's riding high on the wave of increasingly popular software-defined wide area network solutions that are moving the telco market away from traditional revenue streams and services such as fixed telephones, mobile and data towards software and cloud-based technologies. Well, now it's time for a very short break, but stay tuned to keep watching 𝐊𝐴𝐴 TV.
Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
Sectoral coverage or industry news.
we cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
With 𝐊𝐴𝐴 TV.
Welcome back. This is Rachel and you're watching the IPO Corner Show. Next company to look at is exploration and mining firm Mita Mining Corporation. They're slated to make their debut on the ASX on the 30th of September. The homegrown mining firm raised $5 million by offering 25 million shares at an issue price of 20 cents. The company holds interest in the Mita project located in the major mineral province of the Eastern Lachlan Ford Belt near Bateman's Bay on the New South Wales southern coast. The area contains numerous historical mines such as Dargues Gold Mine, Moroya Gold Mine and Bimbimbi Group of Mines. Another explorer headed to the ASX listing is Star Minerals. This Western Australia-based firm will kick off trading on the domestic bourse on the 30th of September. The mining and exploration company looked to raise $5 million at 20 cents a share in its initial public offering. Sydney-based Magnolia Capital Group has pledged to invest $2.5 million under the offering. The company will use the IPO proceeds to fund the development of the advanced Tumblegum South Gold project. Meanwhile, another miner, West Cobar Metals, is slated to start trading on the ASX on the 1st of October with a market capitalisation of $8.3 million. The mining and exploration company has successfully raised $5.5 million at an offer price of 20 cents a share in its initial public offering. And Excel Capital acted as lead manager for the IPO, which opened for subscription between the 16th of August to the 13th of September. The company's projects are located in and around the underexplored West Cobar district in New South Wales. They intend to use their IPO proceeds to fund their exploration for target commodities such as copper, gold, lead and silver. And last but not least is Australian gold miner Besra Gold. They're expected to make their debut on the ASX on the 1st of October. The company raised $12.5 million from the secondary market via the issue of $62.5 million at CHESS depository interests at 20 cents per CDI. Now each CDI will be the equivalent to one common share in Besra Gold. Besra is already a Canadian incorporated company having its listing on the Toronto Stock Exchange. The company is focused on the exploration and development of the 𝐵𝐲 goldfield situated in Sarawak in East Malaysia. The company's interest in the 𝐵𝐲 project dates back to 2006, and since then it's expended its sizable amount of over $62 million on the exploration activities. Well, that's a wrap for today's IPO Corner show. If you are planning to invest in any of these companies, please check the credibility and the track record of the company before making an investment decision. This includes analyst views, brokerage ratings, industry outlook, financial performance, and the peers review. Stay tuned to 𝐾𝐿 𝐼𝐴 TV for more trending market updates. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.